Hey everyone, so today we will discuss the question number 10, and question number 10 is again a theoretical question in which they want to discuss some of the approaches like ignoring tuples, filling manually, filling with constants, and so on when the data is not available, right? So, uh, this is the kind of a short answer or a discussion content for the question number 10. So, missing data is super common, right? And choosing the right method is key for clean analytics. So, the first approach, which most of the people try, is to ignoring the tuples or just delete that row data, right? So, this method is very common and it removes the records, but it only works when the data is very few. If the data becomes very large, it is like you're deleting the half of the data just because they have some null values. The second approach is filling manually. Like an expert fills in missing values by analyzing the available data. It is useful, but it is way time consuming, right? So, like if you have thousands and thousands of data, so it is kind of difficult for you to just fill manually if there are hundreds and hundreds of data missing, right? Next approach is filling with constants, right? So let's just say you have a missing value and just filled it with a constant like none or na. It's kind of also a very good approach to do, but it is also like not good when you do some analytics, like if the data is very in large number, if it has been uh, missing, then the constant value just makes the predictions or analytics kind of difficult for us. The fourth method, which is very widely used, is the mean median mode imputation. So numerical missing values can be filled with mean or median, right? And categorical missing values can be filled with mode. Simple, and they are widely used because you are just taking the whole extract of the data set and you just you're early predicting the data set and data for that empty space, and then you're predicting or you're analyzing the whole data set on that. So it's kind of a very common and very easy way to fill up the missing values. Another is class specific imputation. So filling missing values based on subgroup averages. It is basically means that. For example, using the average rating for second year AI student for that subgroup, right? So like if I have a average rating of a second year student who is pursuing an AI, and if I have a group of that, so I will specially take the mean or modes for the marks of that specific lot of students. So it just uh, gives you much more accurate data related to that field, right? The sixth is most probable value prediction, right? So again, we can apply some ML models like the regression, KNN, Bayesian models to predict the most likely value, right? The most accurate, but computationally it is kind of a heavier one, but it is one of the most accurate things which you can do, right? So these techniques helps keep us our dataset complete and ready for analysis, right? So that was all about the question number 10.